The mating surface of a flange is called the face. Take a look at the following example. The face associated with this flange is highlighted here in yellow. In the second example, the face of the flange associated with the valve is also highlighted here in yellow. Now, keep in mind the face is usually machined to create a smooth surface, and this is an important thing to remember. Why is that? Because a smooth surface will help ensure a leak-proof seal. A leak-proof seal is mandatory when two flanges are bolted together with a gasket sandwiched between them, as depicted in this example. Now, although numerous types of flange faces are produced, we will focus only on the following three: flat face, raised face, and a ring-type joint. These are actually the most common flange faces that you will encounter in the oil and gas and chemical industries. So, if you are ready, then move to the next video and start exploring the flat face flanges. In this video, we're going to talk about the flat face flanges. Notice that in the piping industry, flat face is referred to as FF. So let's have a closer look. As the name implies, flanges with flat faces, as the one depicted here, are those that have a flat, level connecting surface. Forged steel flanges with a flat face flange are commonly found in 150 and 300 ratings. Their principal use is to make connections with 125 and 250 cast iron flanges. Now, attaching steel pipe to the cast iron flanges found on some valves and mechanical equipment always presents a problem because of the brittle nature of cast iron. Using a flat face flange will ensure full surface contact, thereby reducing the possibility of cracking the softer cast iron. The following figure shows a sectional view of a typical flange with a flat face. Now, the most common face type in use is the raised face, or RF flange. The pictures that you can see here depict typical examples of raised face flanges. These flanges are available in all 7 of the pound ratings. Appropriately named, this flange face has a prominent raised surface, as highlighted here. With shallow grooves etched into the raised surface, this flange face ensures a positive grip with the gasket. Flanges rated 150 and 300 pound ratings have a 1/16 inch raised face. Flanges 400 pound ratings and above have a 1/4 inch raised face. The following figure includes a sectional view of a weld neck flange having a raised face. Also known simply as ring joint, the ring-type joint, as in this example, does not use a gasket to form a seal between connecting flanges. Instead, a round metallic ring, as depicted here, is used. This metallic ring rests in a deep groove cut into the flange face. The donut-shaped ring can be oval or octagonal in design. As the bolts are tightened, the metal ring is compressed, creating a tight seal. Now, although it is the most expensive, the ring-type joint is considered to be the most efficient flange used in process piping systems. The ring and groove design actually uses internal pressures to enhance the sealing capacity of the connecting flanges. However, this seal can have its disadvantages. Actually, when dismantling ring joint connections, the flanges must be forcibly separated to release the ring from the groove. In crowded installations, this could cause major problems. Because of this, the ring joint flange is relegated to applications where space for maintenance and replacement are adequate. Now, although available for all pound ratings, flanges with ring-type joint faces are normally used in piping systems rated 400 and higher. Finally, the following figure depicts a sectional view of a flange with a ring-type joint face.